Are you feeling drained, disconnected from your work, and emotionally exhausted? Chances are, you're burnt out. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. I'm going to share a powerful time management technique that can help you overcome burnout and start feeling energized and engaged again. The technique is called the Eisenhower Matrix, and it's been popularized by Stephen Covey. It's a simple way to categorize your activities and prioritize them so that you can focus on what's truly important. And trust me, it's changed my life. Here's how it works. First, take a pen and paper and write down all of the tasks you need to complete right now. Then, draw a box that represents your time and divide it into 4 quadrants. These quadrants will help you organize your tasks into different categories.
The first quadrant is for your significant and urgent activities, like exams, projects, presentations, and graded quizzes. These are the tasks that demand your immediate attention and should be at the top of your to-do list.
The second quadrant is for tasks that are important but not urgent. These are the tasks that you know you need to do but don't necessarily need to be done right away. For example, self-care, revision, and relationships. These tasks take a lot of effort to complete, but we often procrastinate on them because they're not urgent.
The third quadrant is for tasks that are urgent but not important. These are the tasks that you feel compelled to do because someone else wants you to do them, but they don't really add value to your life. For example, if a friend calls you and wants to hang out, you need to learn how to say no if you don't want to go.
The fourth quadrant is for tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are the tasks that provide no return or benefit, and you should eliminate them from your life as much as possible. So, now that you know how to categorize your tasks, it's time to start prioritizing them. Quadrant 1 tasks should be done first because they demand your attention. Quadrant 2 tasks should be done next because they're important but not urgent. Quadrant 3 tasks should be delegated or outsourced. And Quadrant 4 tasks should be eliminated. By following this simple technique, you'll be able to focus on what's truly important and avoid burnout. And if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on overcoming burnout and living a more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.